Okay, today we're going to be making chicken wings, and it's a special way of preparing chicken wings like the old restaurant used to make. Not many people do this anymore, but my dad's going to show us how to do it. He grabs the chicken wing. You're going to get a towel and you got to twist it. Twist the chicken wing, and then you pull it out, and then there's one end there. And you twist the other one, and you pull, and then there's your other two bones. And then you are able to pull one bone out of there. So now you just cut the sections off there, and you cut the two pieces together. And there you have two properly created chicken wings. So Dad, I'm going to tell my dad to do it one more time, but go slow. Okay? So you grab that, use a handkerchief, you twist, and pop the bone out. That could be one section. You do the other two, and then you pull, twist, and you pull the chicken wing out. So that's two pieces. A couple of cuts. And two properly okay. All right, just do. Go. She's gonna go. Okay. She's gonna do it without the handkerchief. Okay, pull the bone out. Twist. Both bones pops out. And then rip that small bone out. And then cut. Yeah. They're just like that. Okay, and then we cut. Okay, there's two chicken wings. Okay, that's for the video now.